For women, our hair is our crown and our glory. Natural, straightened, long and short, it's everything. But if you love wearing wigs, extensions, and braids, we have some important news for you. These styles are fun to wear, but they cause significant damage. We've actually got hair wellness expert Deshawn Bullard. She's here to share with us some tips on how to keep our beautiful tresses healthy. Let's get right to it. Hi.
Hi.
I'm glad that you're here. So Deshawn, let's first talk about how these styles damage our hair.
Okay, so the first thing, Felicia, is that extended wear over a period of time causes tension on the hair and causes the hair to thin out, as well as bad scalp care. Once you wear wigs and weaves and extensions, you really can't take care of your scalp, and over a period of time, we experience hair loss.
So these, obviously these styles are popular for a lot of different hair types. So we're looking at one woman right now. You can see kind of the patches. Explain to us what we're looking at.
Yeah, so this is caused because she wore weaves for over maybe about 6 months, non-stop, without taking the hair out. And the technique called braid weaving causes tension on the hair when you have to braid your hair over a period of time, every month, every 6 months, and don't give your hair a rest. Eventually, you will start thinning in the crown area.
So what should you do if you start seeing this? Because I've seen the crown. I've also seen people have issues with the edge of their hair and maybe too much stress or tension.
Yes.
What should you do when you start seeing these signs?
Well, the first thing you should do is give your hair a break. Take the wigs, take the weaves, and take the extensions out. And secondly, go to get some scalp care. Go to the salon. Nowadays, we're in the days of DIY. Do it at home yourself. But we still have to go to the salon to get our scalp taken care of. And then lastly, we have hair technology such as scalp analysis. Find a hair loss specialist, find a clinic, and get your scalp analyzed.
Okay.
We call it a scalp ultrasound.
I love this because, like you said, going to the hair salon, someone who is licensed to do hair, they also study right under the scalp as well. Like, it's not just about what comes out of your head, it's also what's happening underneath the skin, and they could probably recognize certain conditions along with new technology. So tell us about this new tech.
So this new technology, we kind of call it a scalp ultrasound. And what we do is we are able to look at the scalp to determine what's going on. This very small device that's here allows us to look at the scalp to determine how the strands are doing, if some of the strands are thick, if some of the strands are thin. We can also determine if there's any breakage at the scalp area or if the scalp needs exfoliation, because the scalp is still part of the skin. And so just like the skin on your face, you need to cleanse, tone, moisturize, hydrate, as well as exfoliate.
Okay, so you're saying, does this give kind of like a microscopic look into the scalp so you can see what's happening?
That's exactly what it does.
Okay. Oh.
And so if you are thinning, don't wait too late. Come in, find us. I'm a native of Chicago, but I'm in Atlanta now.
Okay.
But find someone that can give you a microscopic look at your scalp to get it fixed early on.
I didn't know this was a thing.
Yes, early detection is the key to hair loss.
Okay, well, let's also talk what type of styles and products that you can use to help facilitate that hair growth and also give your hair a break.
Yeah, so if you are thinning around the edges, the first thing to do is cut your hair in a bang. You don't have to go into any wigs or weaves. Most people think like, oh my God, wear your hair natural. Actually, you can kind of pull it back to hide some of the areas. And now we have like hair concealers, hair loss concealers that we can use. But bangs, shortcuts are the key for hair thinning and hair loss to cover it up.
Okay, well, there we go. Thank you, Deshawn, for all of the tips. I appreciate it.
Yes.
And the key, you said, get started early. Once you start seeing, take action. Don't wait till it gets really,
really bad.
And great
scalp care. Nuratress Hair Products is our product line. Give you great scalp care, scalp exfoliation.
There you go. For more information about hair thinning and these products, go to DeshawnBullard.com. She can fill you in on all you need to know and a lot more on Nuratress.